Senator Rodante Marcoleta put on a brave face in saying he was ready for arrest, shrugging off and downplaying the undue stress and anxiety that typically confounds and staggers first-timers like him. Hence his eventual confinement at Manila's PGH for rest and treatment for hypertension and the deferment of his booking procedure in detention, as our Ryan Lisigas reports.
It may take up to 2 days for Senator Rodante Marcoleta to remain in confinement at the PNP General Hospital. This to undergo various medical examinations as part of the booking procedure after he was arrested this morning at the Sandigan Bayan. According to CIDG Director Police Major General Robert Alexander Morico II, Marcoleta complained of chest pains and experienced elevated blood pressure.
Nagreklamo si Senator Marcoleta ng chest pain and mataas yung BP niya. That's why dinala muna namin sa ospital. After ng medical niya, whatever na sasabihin ng mga doktor ng PNP, we will transmit it also kay Sandigan.
32 na po si Senator Marcoleta. Hindi lang po simple blood pressure at heartbeat at ibang kukunin sa kanya. Marami po siyang test sa pagdadaanan, katulad ng ECG at iba pa, para sigurado ang kanyang fitness. Hindi namin alam kung kailan matatapos yun, but hopefully within the next 2 days, tapos na lahat ng kanyang examinations para sa full health na i-report namin sa Sandigan Bayan na maaari na siyang pwedeng ilagay.
Shortly after 9 this morning, the PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group served the warrant of arrest against Marcoleta. The warrant was served after the 3rd Division of the Sandigan Bayan denied his motion to quash.
Kagabi po ng alas 10:30 ng gabi ay nag-release ng warrant of arrest ang Sandigan Bayan para kay Rodante Marcoleta, Senador ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Ino pong alas 8:30 bago mag-alas 9 ay pumunta po siya sa Sandigan Bayan para mag-file ng motion to quash. Nung dininay po yung motion to quash ay nilockdown na po ang Sandigan Bayan at hindi na po siya pinalabas.
At 11:25 a.m., Marcoleta arrived at Camp Crame to undergo mugshot photography and fingerprinting. The PNP CIDG assured that the senator's dignity would be respected.
Kung naman ang kanyang kalagayan sa kanyang buhok ay hindi yun namin wawalangin. His picture will be taken as he appears in public. We are not here. We are here to arrest him and to have him tried, but not to humiliate the person. He still has his rights.
Marcoleta is facing a plunder charge in connection with the alleged receipt of 75 million pesos in undeclared campaign donations during the 2025 elections. Meanwhile, the PNP CIDG has also arrested Mike Defensor and Joseph Espiritu, who are Marcoleta's co-accused.
Natagpuan ng CIDG at PNP at inaresto po at dinadala na ba kayo sa Sandigan Bayan para sa kanilang return of warrant. Dadalhin po yung dalawa dito mamaya para sa kanilang medical clearance, kanilang processing. Pagkatapos po, dadalhin sila sa Payata City Jail para sa kanilang detention.
Ryan Lisigas for The Nation.